masaya siguro. So, maglalaro ng mga Dota dyan. Sumali kayo ng Discord. Tara, 5 man. Ching ako. Wait lang, guys. I think it's time. May kasi sinisip ko na ka. Invested talaga, no? Invested talaga sila eh. Invested talaga ang mga ating Dota community sa chismis. Damot, isa lang oh. Ano guys, tara dots. Tara Dota. Ito yung aking Discord. Pwede kayong sumali. Wait, invite people. Ayan. Game. Sali na kayo dyan guys. Magsi-CR lang ako. Be right back. Chismisan muna kayo dyan. Ayan. PM ko lang din tropa ko kung online o lalaro.
GGG.
Baba ko lang muna tong food ko. Ayan. Ito yung mga food ko eh. Bababa ko lang. Be right back guys. Hello guys, hello, what's up, what's up, hello, and I'm back again, I'm back. Sorry. Tara. Wait result ko dito. Ano ba nangyari dito? Hello Christopher, hello Ronan. Hello. Tara guys, laro tayo guys. Wait lang. Alistair, try ko nga i-send sa yung Arcana.
Sige, Dani.
Jay, lalaro ka, Jay. Anong rank mo na, Jay? Hello, Joshua. Give na natin. Items, Arcana. Ayun, pwede na siyang mag-gift. Tingnan natin.
Yan.
Ayun, no. Yan, Arcana, give out that. Sino pa ba yung mga nanalo? Mamaya na lang. PM na lang sila. Okay na, check mo na lang. Hello,
Sige.
Joshua. Wait, ilan ba tayo? Tagal ko rin di nag-Dota. Busy sa TI. Hi Arnel! Tara laro! Dots! Jay, Nasaan ka na, Jay? PM ko nga yung tropa kong G. Tara Dota, G. G Dota Party. Sino tong My God, I hate drugs. Sali na sa Discord. Accept natin to. Sino tong by ano ba yun? I hate, yung My God, I hate drugs. Dito nga yung comments, di ko makita.
Check, mic check.
Di makalaro hanggang ngayon, batang computer siya pa rin kasi. Kulang pa tayo ng isa, tatanungin ko nga si tropa kung lalaro siya. Di makalaro, kulang na lang tayo ng ilan. Jay, sali ka na. Sige lang. Aray ko, putang ina mo. Malakas ulan dyan sa inyo. Wait, Dota in-game. Ayun, tamang-tama yung natin. Dota in-game natin. Ayan. Sakto lang pala ang ating Hi, Jason! What's up? Sino to? Guys, sino pa ba hindi ko nabibigyan? Itong ina kasi. Sino to? Jay! Ba't di sumasagot si Jay? Baka di ata lalaro to si Jay. Sino to? Okay. Sige, wait. Ito pala, lalaro pala si M. Gago, on game ka pa Alistair
Hindi, naka-demo lang yan. Demo hero.
Naka Oo nga na, demo. Jay, kompleto na ata. 5. Di ka nasagot sa Discord eh. Ba't di nasagot sa Discord? Ano? Sino ba to? Sino isa? Sino yung isa? Sarap magkape while gaming. Guys, open kaya kayo ng mic. Shy type eh. Ikaw ba yan? Ano? Yung mango?
Off mic lang po ako, off mic.
Off mic ka lang. Sino to? Sino tong positive mindset? Kasama ba natin to?
Hindi yata.
Hindi.
Pero ako kasama isa.
Saan yung isa, ma'am?
Wait lang, nag-open lang ng Dota.
Ano? Ang pangalan nito? Wait. Diba nanalo ka ng giveaway?
Okay guys, Dota yung laro hindi boxing.
Mhm. Di ako mag-mid carry ako pwede.
Konti lang ang suntukan.
Sige.
Para magkasama kami nung ano. Opo.
Mango
Bali, mag-limit
Christian,
ako
no?
ata.
Yung pangalan mo, ano? Yung ito, yung my God, I hate drugs. Ikaw yan, no? Pre, ikaw yan, no? Diba may ano ka? Nanalo ka? Ng giveaway? Check ko nga para mabigay na natin. Sorry, sobrang busy talaga. Giveaway. Dota Plus, tsaka Compendium. Pwede ba yun i-gift? Wait lang, pwede atang i-gift yung Compendium eh. Saglit. Kasya pa ba yung ano ko dito? Wallet ko nandito. Try natin Ayan to. Compendium Parang kaya ata. Thanks. Sino yung kasama mo, M?
Ayan na.
Taga saan? Taga dyan lang, sa Antalban?
Taga Cubao.
Lalaro ka din ba, John Wolf? Danix Comped. Umabot. Okay na, nabigay na sa'yo yung Compendium Dota Plus na lang. Lalaro ka ba, Benson? 5 na ba tayo? Ay, hindi. Isa na. Antay pala yung kasama.
Ito na, send ko sa ID.
Naglalaro ng ML. Hindi, idol. Hindi tayo nag-ML.
Send ko sa messenger
Sige. Hindi ko siya makaka-copy-paste eh. 187594. Sino to? Abot ba to? Ito ba? Tama ba yung Yami, no?
Ilan ba yung rank?
Patient. Argon. Abot na ata.
Sa drop?
Ano to eh?
Abot yan.
Sige, add kita, Benson. Okay. Yabang naman yung idol, di ba yun? Ngayon lang ako naglaro ulit after 15 days na hindi naglaro. Game? So, yung Dota Plus kasi hindi ata yung nabili. Diretso na siya eh. Ay, putang na. Sep, mga idol.
Pwede ata
Pwede
yun ah.
pala. Pwede pala mag-give. Pwede pala. Pwede pala. Altayin mo na lang ano Sino ba to? Mango. Mango. Uy, hello. Aris. Okay.
10 seconds remaining.
William, nalaro ka ba? Magto-throw ka lang daw pala, Alistair eh. Sabi ni Benson.
Naiiwan lang yun, di nakasali.
Sige, add natin habang pickings pa.
Punch offlane ba to?
4 ata, ewan ko.
Hindi, wala tayo offlane. Yeah, yes daw.
Mm. Laro na, Benson! After nito. Kasi maaga nagpapahinga to si Alistair eh. Mga ano lang ako, 4 hours stream lang ako guys. So, hanggang 4 hours.
Hindi, maaga pa naman.
Alistair, parang huling laro na natin yung huling,
Oo.
ayaw na magsalita.
Boxing.
Ay, kalento ko nga yun kay CM eh.
Huling laro namin, boxing yung nilaro eh.
Alo, naglimang
This'll be
ice
like
tea ka daw
stealing
wala sa
candy from
HG.
Well, stealing from anyone
Siya
really.
yun, si Benson yun.
Prepare yourselves for the main
This one's in the
event.
back. Here we
Hindi
go.
ako nakatawag.
I just want to win a game. Please, 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 please.
Got to go. Let's see
I
where
just
the
want to
road
win a
takes
game.
us.
Please, 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 please.
Huli na tayo.
This place was boring anyway. Time to move. I'm going.
Gusto ko lang sa...
Let's find something to steal.
Nagdat yung smoke na lang.
30
Stay in one
seconds to
place too
battle.
long.
Pag na patay.
You're not walking away. I'll prove I'm the
First
best.
blood, and that is how we do things in the north.
Pwede. Hook lang ulit. Upside ako ah.
Papakatigas naman niya.
Mischief awaits. I don't need a horn to tell me when to fight. Time to be trouble.
Meron pa ata ito eh. Hindi ko lang sure.
Oo, kasi 5 sila eh.
Ako
Let's go,
naka-3
Jax.
lang eh. Grabe naman kayo sa ICT.
Time to get into trouble. Come on, Jix. Let's get moving. You ready for shenanigans?
What did you expect?
A little mischief never. Moving. Let's keep a lookout. No time to dilly-dally. What are we waiting for? Let's see where the road takes us. My time has come. Can't stay here. Let's see you try to escape. The sooner we're out of here, the better. Let's find something to steal. Let's fly.
Ginawa niyo kasi tubig yung ice tea.
Time to get into trouble.
GG.
I'm full of surprises.
Ako na mag-earn na.
Let's fly.
Ay, wala.
Time to beat up. What are we waiting for?
Cool, man.
Other people might not understand you, but I do. Gotta go.
Benson, ko
Let's
daw
get
yun,
moving.
Benson.
Secure mo yung Lotus kung kaya.
Let's go, Jix. Here we go.
Ay, itong ano yung crisp.
Anong cribs to?
Moving.
Kuha na. Kailang.
Stick around. Time to regroup. I won't let you stop me. Can't stay here. You ready for shenanigans? No time to dilly-dally.
Got it.
I'll prove I'm the best. Let's see where the road takes us. Mischief awaits. Time isn't on your side. Time to move. Jix, what do you say we go introduce ourselves? I forged my own destiny.
Taas ng level na itong hat na to.
We're going on a little field trip, Jix. Let's get moving.
Pababa yung wind run. Pababa.
Wala akong tape yan. No tape yan.
Let's find something to steal. Here we go. I'm going. Let's fly.
Midwind run ba?
Ah, mid.
Come on, Jix. Moving. Time to move.
Does she wanna go
Always on the move.
on a singing?
No time to dilly-dally. A little mischief never killed anyone.
Laki ng damage ang puta.
On my way.
Making mistakes is the path to wisdom.
You ready for shenanigans? Time to get into trouble.
Agat niya ako isang tango.
What are we waiting for?
Medyo pangit yung carry ko eh. Pag gusto mong dumalo naman ba, okay lang ha?
You think I don't know how to fight?
Nakaka-farm ka ba dyan,
My
sorry?
time has come.
Ako ba?
Ah, yung spec.
Ako naman.
Di ba ako baba? Ay,
Hindi kasi magmamagic ako. Pero kung
Kulang.
kung hirap ka mag-physical ako.
Mischief awaits.
Hindi. Kaya, magic ka lang, tol.
Okay.
Let's
Patay
see
ata
where the
to,
road
Magnus.
takes us.
Invisibility.
Let's find something to steal.
Ito na lang.
Don't take too much time. You're on the clock. Get ready for a surprise. Let's go. Can't stay here. Let's fly.
Stuck ko lang to. Pangagot ako.
Mischief awaits. A gift from me to you. What are we waiting for? Let's start some shenanigans checks.
Gawin mo na.
Time to be trouble.
Di ba ikaw yun? Ben?
Here we go. Moving. Oh, not so fast. I'll prove I'm the best.
Kim, pwede ha.
Time to get into trouble.
The enemy attacks your middle tower.
We're going on a little field trip.
Also requires protection. Your middle tower is under attack.
I'm going.
Ano saan nag-word yung hype na yun?
Can't stay here. Let's find something to steal. Let's see where the road takes us. Ready for shenanigans?
Ito lang.
Let's go, Jix. Come on, Jix. No time to dilly-dally.
Ito, patay kaya natin to. To.
Gotcha.
Patay na to.
A little mess.
Pwede ata, pati pit lord, change target na. Yan, dyan
Wala
ako,
na akong
dyan
life.
ako.